Welcome to our journey of discovery as we unveil 10 groundbreaking health ideas that will revolutionize your well-being. Embrace the power of nature with our first idea, harnessing the healing potential of organic superfoods for vitality and longevity. Dive into the realm of mindfulness with our second idea, exploring the transformative effects of meditation for mental clarity and inner peace. Unlock the secrets of holistic living with our third idea, integrating ancient practices to harmonize body, mind, and spirit for holistic wellness. Discover the art of self-care with our fourth idea, prioritizing self-love and well-being to nurture a healthy relationship with yourself. Embark on a journey of fitness innovation with our fifth idea, exploring unconventional workout routines for a fun and effective approach to exercise. Immerse yourself in the world of herbal remedies with our sixth idea, tapping into the natural healing properties of herbs for overall wellness. Revitalize your diet with our seventh idea, embracing plant-based nutrition to fuel your body with essential nutrients and energy. Explore the benefits of technology and health with our eighth idea, leveraging digital tools for tracking, monitoring, and enhancing your well-being. Step into the world of alternative therapies with our ninth idea, delving into innovative approaches for healing and balance. Embrace the power of community with our final idea, highlighting the importance of social connections for mental and emotional health. Join us in embracing these 10 health ideas, paving the way for a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life.